आमकां मेळत आसा. एकंदर गोंय सरकारान स्थानीक संस्था ज्यो आसा आनी पर्यावरण क्षेत्रांत काम करपी कार्यकर्ते जे आसा हांच्या मदतीन जर ह्या परिसराची राखण करपाचें जर चिंतलें जाल्यार निश्चितपणान गोंय सरकाराक हातूंत यश मेळटलें.
A reporter from Sattari, Uday Parab.
Goa witnessed heavy rainfall continuously for 2 days, but now suddenly rainfall has disappeared. The rain is now expected after 3 to 4 days.
The normal date for rainfall for Goa is 7th June. The state received heavy showers continuously for 2 days on 6th and 7th. But from yesterday, there is almost no rainfall in the state. Yes, some places in Goa received rainfall but in very less quantity. Director of Meteorological Department KV Singh said that the rainfall is subdued for more few days.
On 7th, very heavy rainfall were recorded. On 8th also, moderate to rather heavy rainfall were recorded. After that, rainfall has reduced because there was one system in upper air that was off the Goa coast. That system has moved away. So because of that system, this monsoon has been subdued at present.
And as you can see, it is not raining, but you can see people with umbrellas. So whether it is raining or no, the business of umbrella repairing is experiencing good fortunes.
पाऊस 2 दीस ना त्याचा किती इफेक्ट झाला आहे
ना सत्री मोडत असता ना काम चालूच असता आमचे
पावसाचे नुक फुल आहे 2 दीस पाऊस ना सो लोक येवपाची कमी बी झाले
ना तसे आहा चालू.
With video journalist Ganesh Hotkar, a reporter in Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
We are heading for a short break. After the break, watch Churchill and Congress on MOPA. We will be right back. Every time before leaving Congress, Churchill always said that he will never leave Congress. Interestingly, when Congress has taken a tough stand on MOPA and 6-lane highway contrary to Churchill's statement, Churchill has again said that he will never leave Congress in his entire lifetime.
Let's have a look at the events that invited trouble for Churchill. On 4th June, Churchill addressed media and spoke against MOPA and 6-lane highway.
एअरपोर्ट आता जरी तरी मोपा तर एअरपोर्ट येलो आणि तुई तरी आता 3 लाख लोक 4 लाख लोक हातून तरी आणि तरी 50 लाख लोक हाडो तर आमी गोंयकारांक खंय रावपाचें. The one house going, they are coming on the road, man, and this is never going to be happen in another 20-40 years if you go back to Sicily now.
These statements infuriated the ruling party. First, it was Chief Minister Digambar Kamath who alienated himself from Churchill's statement on MOPA.
There is absolutely total clarity in the cabinet. If somebody makes any statement, it is in his personal capacity. The government stand on this airport is very clear.
Then was GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar who too spoke though against Churchill.
चर्चिल आले मग
त्यामुळे त्यापासून कोणी उलेलं तर त्या विरोधात काही अर्थ उरचे
आणि 6 लेनचे रस्तो जे जावपाचे
6 लेन रोड जो आसा पेडणे साकून ते काणकोण पर्यंत हो जातलो.
In spite of this several criticism, Churchill still says that he is part of Congress, no matter if criticism comes the way.
अगेन्स्ट उलयल्ले आसा तर तुम्ही आता काँग्रेसीन आसतले आणि इतके मिनिस्टर बीन तुमच्या अगेन्स्ट उलोवन सुद्धा आता तुम्ही काँग्रेसीन रावतले ओके तर तुम्ही काँग्रेसीन आसतले. Okay, sir.
Jai Ho Congress. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Maimole Lake in Vasco is being polluted with excessive sewage dumping. BJP activists in Vasco have demanded an immediate halt to this activity and wants restoration of this lake. According to Rajendra Arlekar, if needed, BJP activists will come on road for the cause.
The beauty of Vasco city, Maimole Lake is currently in an ugly state. Sewage is being dumped here on high quantity. The water has also started contaminating in Maimole Lake. Vasco BJP wing visited the site to monitor the situation. Rajendra Arlekar, ex-MLA, was not happy with this development.
मायमोळेच्या ह्या तळ्यान सिवरेजीची जी हांगासर वेस्ट आसा ते सोडपाचो प्रकार खूब दिसांनी चल्लेलो आसा. आमी हांगासरल्या भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या कार्यकर्त्यांनी अनेक फावटी हांगासरले एई आसत जेई आसत तांकां हो इशू तांच्या लक्षांत हाडून दिल्लो, पण ते कांयच करिनात. हो इशू जो आसा हो असो हांगासर आमी थंड जावपाक दिवचे ना. बीजेपीचे सगळे कार्यकर्ते हाजे खातीर जाय जाल्यार रस्त्यार येतले, आंदोलन करतले. आमी सुरवातीक पासून सनदशीर मार्गान कितें करपाक मेळटा तें करतले. ही जी दोन हांगासरली तळीं जी आसात ही अत्यंत म्हत्वाची आसा. आमकां अशें दिसता की ही दोनूय तळीं जी आसात ही वास्कोचे लंग्स आसात.
Even a local resident demanded an immediate attention from the government authorities on this issue.
प्रत्येक दिसा सिवेज जो वाढत चालला आणि येतना वतना लोकांक नाका मोठी घेवन वयचे पडटा. पळोवपाक खरें म्हणल्यार सरकार निर्दिश्ता अशें दिसता. हाज्या खातीर प्रयत्न राजकीय प्रयत्न आनी शासकीय प्रयत्न जाल्ले जावंक जाय आनी हेजो वाट तितूंतल्यान कितें तरी बरें कितें तरी उपाय काडून तांणी ती सुदारणा करून घेवंक जाय. नाजाल्यार हांगासरल्यान येतना वतना लोकांक हेजो खूब त्रास जाता आनी हे सगळे जाणा वास्कोकार सगळे जाणा हेका कितें तरी सांबाळपाक लोकांक सरकारी यंत्रणेन तेंचे प्रयत्न करूंक जाय म्हणून.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Before we leave, let's have a glance at the top stories of the bulletin. NCP MLAs refuse to go with Dr. Willie, pledged to strengthen party in Goa. NCP MLAs will attract disqualification if they resign, say legal experts. Government tries to build compound wall on Kandolim coast to prevent beach erosion. Locals not happy with government efforts. Government appoints new pollution control board. Alex Sequeira says he was not happy with the previous board. And monsoon plays hide and seek. Met department says it will take couple of more days for monsoon to settle. Stay tuned to Prudent Media for more news and updates. We take your leave for now. Keep watching Prudent Media.